Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to contact Booking.com customer care. Whether you're dealing with a booking issue or need assistance with your reservation, knowing how to reach their support team quickly can save you time and hassle. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Booking.com. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Account to access your account settings and support options. Once you're in the My Account section, you'll see various options and settings available for managing your bookings and preferences. Scroll down through these options until you locate the Help and Support section. Under this heading, you'll find Contact Customer Service. Click on it to proceed to the support page where you can access different ways to get help. On the customer service page, you'll notice a phone number provided specifically for your country or region. For example, if you're in the United States, the number is 1-888-850-3958. Make note of this number in case you prefer direct phone support. However, if you'd like to explore other options first, look for the blue button that says Get Help with a Booking and click on it. Next, you'll be asked to select a category that matches your concern. Booking.com offers support for various services including stays, attractions, car rentals, flights, and airport taxis. Choose the category that applies to your situation. Keep in mind that Booking.com may require specific information depending on which category you select. For instance, if you click on Stays, you'll need to provide your confirmation number and PIN. These details are available in your booking confirmation email, which you receive after successfully reserving a hotel or room. Finally, as you communicate with customer service, be sure to keep note of any case number or reference they provide. This information is essential for follow-up inquiries and helps track the progress of your issue. Having this reference handy ensures a smoother experience if you need to contact them again. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reach Booking.com customer care whenever you need assistance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.